everyone, welcome to YBY. Today we will be talking about Universal Studios Hollywood.
Universal Studios is a theme park based around movies and entertainment. It is located in Hollywood, California.
Universal Studios includes many parks inside of the park. Some of them include Harry Potter Land, Jurassic World, Minions Land, but our favorite one was Springfield.
We are both huge Simpsons fans, so this is very special to us. It was really cool to go into Krusty Burger for lunch or to the local pub for a Flaming Moe.
Is it hot?
My favorite thing about Springfield is probably the Simpsons ride. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was like a virtual reality ride. So you just sit in these cars and there's a screen that moves in front of you and the whole seats move. It's really great. All of the attention to detail inside of Springfield was really amazing. They nailed that Springfield Simpsons vibe. What was your favorite attraction there altogether?
My favorite attraction was a studio tour. I really liked how like King Kong would show up and like fight the dinosaurs. And I also like how you could like see the sets of the movies. I really like that.
Yeah, like it's actually a working film studio, so you can see there's movies being filmed and TV shows being filmed while you're there.
Alright, I think we're good. Guys, our driver saved my job. There was a red light flashing outside of there, even though the sound stages are about 98% soundproof. You don't want my beautiful voice to be in every episode.
So that's pretty cool because we're both big movie fans. So that was awesome to see. The tour guides actually made the ride, I thought.
You got the very best guide, Garrett. And the greatest driver, Alex. They're the best. I love them. Even though Garrett owes me $5.
We went on it twice, and both times the tour guides were really funny and very informative.
Most of the buildings on our backlot are called facades, meaning false fronts, meaning we only have to build the fronts and sides of these buildings because remember, most of the interior inside filming is going to happen on our sound stages.
The fun fact I actually learned is that Universal Studios is actually its own city. It has its own zip code and fire station, so that's kind of cool. It's a city dedicated to making movies. The fanfare and attention to detail was absolutely astonishing. Universal Studios Hollywood is one of our favorite places to go. It combines our favorite things, media and movies and entertainment, and with some rides, and of course Springfield.
Yep.
I would recommend everyone go. For me and you, a nice father-son trip. I thought we had a great time, and I can't wait to go again. It was a lot of fun. If you thought this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. He's coming.
He's coming. Come on. Everybody car for it, please don't break that.
What about the fart gun?
Awesome.
Lovely stuff here. You got anything to add?
Yeah, I like movies.
Is it scary?
I liked it all except for the end when we were going down.
Everything except for the drop.